Rock groups. Remember from the previous section that igneous rocks may form on or beneath the Earth's surface. Extrusive rock is igneous rock formed from lava that erupted under Earth's surface, where intrusive rock formed when magma hardens beneath the surface. The texture of an igneous rock depends on the size and shape of its mineral crystals. The only exceptions to this rule are the different types of volcanic glass, which is in igneous rocks that lacks a crystal structure. But igneous rocks may be similar in mineral composition and yet have very different textures. Rapidly cooling lava forms fine-grained igneous rocks with tiny crystals. Slowly cooling magma forms coarse-grained rocks with large crystals. Therefore, intrusive and extrusive rocks usually have different textures. If you were to look at a coarse-grained rock, such as granite, you can easily see that the crystals vary in size and color. This is much different than obsidian, which has a smooth, shiny texture like a thick piece of glass. Remember, minerals have different colors, so rocks with different proportions of them have different colors as well. Granite's mineral composition determines its color. So for example, granite rich in feldspar is speckled pink, while granite rich in hornblende and dark mica is light gray with dark specks. Sediment are small, solid pieces of material that come from rocks or living things. Most sedimentary rocks are formed through a series of processes: erosion, deposition, compaction, and cementation. Erosion occurs when running water, wind, or ice loosen and carry away fragments of rock. Eventually, the moving water, wind, or ice slows and deposits the sediment in layers. Deposition is the process by which the sediment settles out of the water or the wind carrying it. And the process that presses these sediments together is called compaction. Over millions of years, thick layers of sediment build up, and these heavy layers press down on the layers beneath them. While compaction has taken place, the minerals in the rock slowly dissolve in the water. Cementation is the process in which dissolved minerals crystallize and glue particles of sediment together. Now with metamorphic rock, geologists classify them according to the arrangement of the grains that make up the rocks. Metamorphic rocks that have their grains arranged in parallel layers or bands are said to be foliated and can be easily split along them. One common foliated rock is slate. When metamorphic rocks have mineral grains arranged randomly, they are called non-foliated. And non-foliated metamorphic rocks do not split into layers. Examples of non-foliated rocks are marble and quartzite. Because marble has a fine, even grain, it can be cut into thin slabs or carved into many shapes. Marble is also easy to polish, which has led it to become one of the favorite rocks for architects and sculptors. Okay, it's time to show what you know.